Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, mahal kong kapatid. Papunta kami sa kondo, yatid namin Stanjay.
Happy birthday, Lola Coreng!
Happy birthday, auntie kong maganda. More birthdays to come.
Birthday po.
Hello there. Hello. Hello, auntie. Happy birthday. Dalangin namin, bigyan pa kayo ni Lord ng maraming birthday dahil auntie, nagkakaedad na naman, dinadagdagan na naman. Dahil kami ay mga senior na rin, kaya auntie, ingatan nyo sarili nyo, kayong dalawa, Juben, ingatan nyo sarili nyo dahil siyempre nagkakaedad na at dalangan namin na bigyan pa kayo ni Lord ng maraming birthday dahil siyempre masarap ang nagkikita-kita pa tayo, masarap ang tayo nagsasama-sama. Kaya ante, ang sabi ni Kasim Bilma ay kami magdala ng video message dahil hindi nyo ito alam, it's a surprise. Kaya ante, again, happy birthday. Basta ingatan nyo sarili nyo. Ante ha, I love you. Mahal na mahal namin kayo. Happy birthday, auntie. Happy birthday,
auntie.
Basta mag-ingat kayo, Chuben.
Chuben.
Mua. Chup,
Ingat po kayo lagi.
Love you. Hello
Love
there.
Hello po, auntie. Happy birthday po. Nawa po ay bigyan pa kayo ng kalakasan ng pangangatawan. At maraming birthday pa po ang dumating sa inyo. For the first time, auntie, masasabi ko sa inyo na mahal ko po kayo ni Auntie Ligaya. I love you both, auntie. Sana po.
Auntie namin, happy birthday ho. Bigyan ho kayo ni Lord ng tibay at lakas ng katawan para magkasama-sama pa ho tayong lahat. Wala ho kaming maibibigay kundi pagmamahal sa inyo. Happy birthday, auntie. Love you.
Hello, Ate Kuring. Happy birthday. Uwi na kayo dito sa Pilipinas. Enjoy. May you have many more birthdays to come. Musta sa lahat. Bye.
Birthday, mahal kong kapatid. Bigyan ka ng maraming birthday. Maging ligtas ka sa lahat ng oras. Happy birthday. I love you. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday, Nana. I love you. Wishing you a good health and thank you for everything po. Bye-bye.
Happy birthday, nanay. Ay, mag-ingat kayo palagi dyan. Enjoy your day. Balato. Hindi. Wala kaming ibang hiling sa Panginoon. Hindi kayo ibigyan pa ng mahaba pang buhay. Pati ng tatay. Mag-ingat lang kayo palagi dyan ay. Enjoy your life. Enjoy your day. I love you. Happy birthday. God bless, nanay.
Nanay, happy birthday. We wish you all the best and more birthdays to come. Good health also. Lagi po kayong mag-ingat. And see you soon. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You blow a kiss. Mwah. Happy birthday. We love you. Mwah. Yay.
Happy birthday, tatay, May, mama Oma, Auntie Rachel, bato, RJ, Riel, Gege, Nay, happy birthday. Naku, nagagaya ako, pero thank you for everything that you've done for every one of us. We wouldn't be where we at kung if it wasn't for you, kay tatay, sa lahat ng sacrifice from arriving here from the Philippines, yung talagang double job kayo, talagang gigising kayo napakaaga, and yeah, I'm thankful for everything that you've done for us. I just wanna say na stay healthy, gayahin niyo yung recipe ni tatay. Ako kung ano kinakain niya, pero napakalakas pa. Kumain kayo ng galunggong, gulay, rice na konti lang. So yeah, basta stay healthy. We're gonna pray for you, for your health, and sana hindi magkaroon pa ng any complications or anything sa health niyo. Stay healthy, longer lives. God bless, and yeah, hope to see you soon. And as always, we love you, Nanay. Tay, we love you. Happy birthday.
Di magwawakas hanggang sa dulo